What's up, unicorn? So today we're actually making a yarn rug. So before we started, I went ahead and got all my materials together. You need scissors. I have some yarn up there and some yarn right here. I would recommend getting some duct tape. And you're gonna need cardboard because you're gonna need to make these little things. I kind of just figured out how big I wanted my yarn to be, like how long, and I just went from there. I also got myself some cardboard laid out on the bottom on my floor, so that way everything would be less messy. See how that works though. So essentially what's happening is I also have a hot glue gun right here. So what I'm doing is once it gets to be glued down like this is, as you can see, we're just going to cut through the top. And then it's going to look like this. All nice and pretty. And we're going to keep going. So what we're doing, this. Alright guys, so we have finished the rug finally. Check this out. It is so pretty and so soft. So now with the edges, you just cut the rug out of the edges, and then we will show you the end result. Alright, so this is the rug without any background on it, and it looks amazing. You guys, that was the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and put down below what if you want to see more like this. I will see you on the next show.